It started off at my school's gym. We had a jump roping contest and I was in the finals and I won the finals. I got a jump rope to keep and I got to pick out another prize. See? And I picked out this awesome parrot and I thought of the name Catherine. Isn't she cute? Look at her tail, all the colors. It's so fluffy and sunny. And did you notice? Her eye has a heart on it. Cool. And she'll be watching us today. And she'll be helping us open the surprise cracker. See? That's what I mean. And just to tell you guys, these aren't surprise crackers. It's a Play-Doh Rarity Style and Spin playset. Woo! Yay! And this is a Cutie Mark Magic's Pinkie Pie and Twilight Sparkle Play-Doh set. Princess Twilight Sparkle. Okay. It says Pinkie Pie and Princess Twilight Sparkle. Good job. And she talks a lot. See? Talk. Hi, I'm Catherine. Hi, I'm Catherine. I love crackers. Hi, I'm Catherine. But when I tell her to stop, watch what happens. Stop talking. She says this. Okay, I'll talk some more. Hi, I'm Catherine. But when I tell her to keep talking, she says, okay, I'll stop talking. It's the opposite way. Isn't that silly? Yes. Yeah, so she thinks everything is crackers. She loves them. Anyways, let's get started. What did you want to say? And also the lights? Yeah, I think the lights are crackers. Yum, 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 yum. Let's get started. Yay! Hi everybody. I sneaked out. And guess what? They're still opening the boxes. It takes up forever. They're so slow. I sometimes like to call them slowpokes because that's what you call people that are super slow. Oh, and remember my name. It's Catherine. Catherine. Hi, I'm Catherine. And I love crackers. Oh no. They're coming. Catherine, I saw you over there. Did you sneak out when I told you not to before we even started the video? Whoopsie. I forgot that rule. And I heard you call us slowpokes. And that too. She's really silly. Yes, I am. Always silly. She breaks the rules a lot. Even if I tell her not to. Okay, I hope she's not following what my shirt says. The main thing off my shirt is it says break the rules. Ish. I hope she's not following that. Okay, now I'm gonna decorate my ponies. Okay. And I'm just gonna assemble this whole thing. Ugh. It's so hard to open these Play-Doh cans. So hard. Alright. And you call us slowpokes when we're doing like as quick as we can, right? So there's what I did so far, but still we got this and a little knife. Can you help me open this? Yeah, sure. Can you open all of these cans? Goodness. That will take like a year because it's so hard. Okay. We're just and now we're dead. Okay, I'm just kidding. You're just slowpokes again. Ew. Whoa. Leah, are you a parrot? No, I'm not. I sometimes call her talking parrot. You know why? Because she always talks. What was that? Oh, maybe I have magic powers. Who knows? Or Leah does. What a Catherine does. Catherine? Yep, I do. I was born having powers. So strange. And this is a little rolly thing that you can make a pearl necklace out of it. Look, it's got some Play-Doh. Can you pick that up? Of course I can. Okay. Alright guys, let's get to work. Alright, so I'll start with making Rarity. Okay, so here are all the ponies lined up. Here is Twilight Sparkle. Here is Rarity that came with the playset. And Pinkie Pie. Twilight and Pinkie Pie came with Leah's playset. This wheel came on Pinkie Pie. We just removed it. See? You can remove it and put it on. When you want to stand it, you can remove it. But when you want to make some mold, you can just go like a car. Whoa! Okay? So that's Pinkie Pie. Let's take it off so she can stand. Okay, so I'll give these two to Leah so she can make her pony. And I will make Rarity. I need that wheel. Oh, yes. And that knife. But this came with my playset. No share, okay? Okay. So let's put her on her beautiful dresser. And we will start by using purple for her hair. And I'll show you how to do it. First, we do that. And then we use some more Play-Doh to do the rest. Look! Okay. So I'll do the tail right now. And there's something very special, and I'm going to show you that in one little second. Okay, so now you've got that in place. There isn't any details, right? So what you're going to do is take it out. See, look, all the details. You're going to flip her over and put it on this side. Isn't that amazing? Cool. And let's take some more out. But my surprise is that I don't want to do it all purple. I want to do it more than purple colors. So the other side will be another color. So we're going to have to use this side. Let's do some green. Here I am. Look at the other side. This side looks pretty plain, right? But voila! Look at my other side. I look like brand new, right? Rarity. And you can call me from now on Rainbow Pony because I am so rainbow. Like Rainbow Dash. Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm another Rarity. And I'm one of the Equestria Girl Mini. And as you can see, I lost my skirt. No worries. Francesca will make me one, right, Francesca? Yes, I will. Have a seat. I will make some molds for you, and a skirt. I think I will make you an orange skirt. Okay, so there's the bow on my skirt. I think I'm gonna add a sneaky jewel to it. Just a little jewel. Here we go. And my skirt is finished. So yeah, just this side. Look at her fashion. She looks beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so I put some green Play-Doh in here and I'm gonna press it. Ooh, look at this. Wow! Look at it. It's all swirly rainbow. Let's cut it like that. Some pieces. Put it right here. And I'll make the ends kind of pretty. Like kind of spiky little. Look at her mane. I'm gonna make her a pearl necklace, just like that. So this is the pearl necklace that I made for her. It's very delicate, very gentle, guys, and perfect. And I even added a little ring on her horn. Alright, so we're finally finished, and this is what we created. So this is Princess Twilight Sparkle. Let's start off with her. Here's the back, front again. Hello everybody! I love how Leah made me. I look like I'm ready for a ball. Yay, 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 yay. Hello, I'm Rarity, and Francesca made me beautiful. I love it, I love it. So here's Pinkie Pie, the party planner. Looks like she got some starfish. That looks like starfish to me. There's one side. Ooh, that's pretty, Leah. Look, there's a heart, some white mane, some pink mane, some purple, some orange right here, and then there is some blue here. Ooh, that's pretty. And then we're back to this front again. Maybe I'll leave it on this one because it's so pretty. And then there's Twilight Sparkle. I think this is a black beret and then some decorations on there on her hair. And finally for our Rarity. Okay, so here's our pretty Rarity. That's a little bit crazy. So there she is. She's got some purple, a hat, and like crazy hair, yeah. And then we're back to the real crazy side. Alright guys, so that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed. Are my little ponies awesome Play-Doh video. It was so fun. I know I said it, but it was just so fun that I just have to say it again. Yes, fun. And she's sleeping, haven't you noticed? No, I'm not sleeping. I was just pretending. Oh, I have to say goodbye to everybody. They can't leave without me saying goodbye to them. Goodbye! Oh, but don't you have that little rhyme that you say at the end? Yeah, we do. Okay, so what's great this